Hi, my name is Alvaro. Welcome to ABC Guitar Workshop. As you know by now, the Great Guitar Build of 2020 unofficial challenge has finished and we have a champion. Congratulations to Violet and to all of the other guitars who made it to the top 5, the top 30 and the overall competition. My guitar made it to Ben Crow's favorite 30, so thanks to him and to everyone who voted and supported the project by subscribing to my YouTube channel and following me on Instagram. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe now, and you can also follow me on Instagram at ABC Guitar Workshop. Today we're gonna play a little bit and take a look at what worked well on this guitar and what still needs to be done. That will be connected to my next projects and the future videos on this channel.
Let's try the pickups.
Bridge only. Bridge and mid humbucker. Neck and mid humbucker. Okay, as you can see, the bridge humbucker is working well, the mid humbucker is working well, but the single coil pickup is not working well. It's bringing noise, and that is because single coils normally work with 250K components, and for the humbuckers the pots are 500K, so the single coil is not working properly. I have to introduce a resistor that is this really small component over here to solve this issue, and I will do that in a future video. And the other thing that I still have to do is to decide if I will use shielding paint in the cavities.
If you take a closer look, you can notice that the areas of the fabric that were routed have exposed wood under the pick guard or the scratch plate. I had originally planned to paint these areas with a dark blue shielding paint to improve the conductivity inside the guitar, but in the past couple of weeks I really got used to this look, so now I don't know what to do.
So let me know what you think. Should I paint the cavities with a dark blue shielding paint, or should I leave it like that? Just write it in the comments. I would like to know if you have other ideas or suggestions to improve the sound of this guitar.
There is an area where you select the pickups that you want to use. There is another where all the action happens with the kill switch and the tremolo bar, and the output with the master volume and master tone. The ebony nut feels great, but it's still a bit too high, so I'll have to fix that too.
As you already know, the guitar has a tremolo system, but I didn't install it completely flat. I left it floating a little bit, so you can go up and down with the bar. that's it for today. Thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned to my channel because, as I said, I'm going to be working on some of the guitars that you're looking at right now, and I have really cool plans for them. So subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at ABC Guitar Workshop, and see you next time.